Today I'm going to show you how to create soft skin effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. We can see there are many spots here. From here we'll go to Effect Control and search for BRD noise. We'll leave it on top of the layer. Next we'll go into Effect Control and reduce the noise level to 0.50%. Look, it looks much better than before. It was like this before and it is like this now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.